Like many people, you're probably busy and rarely take time out to focus just on you. Well, the good news is this is what this course is all about. It's all about you. Hi, I'm Ian Hutchinson, and welcome to this course on how to be happier and more successful in your work, your life and your personal finances, so you're more in control moving forward and living more of a life by design rather than a life by default. Over the last 20 years, I've had the privilege to work with about 50,000 students over the years. And time again, I get asked questions such as, I want to make more informed decisions about my future. Questions such as, is this the life I really want? What's my dream? I don't have enough time to do what I really love. Gee, I feel successful, but I don't really feel totally fulfilled. I know I should be happier, but how? So this course is really about helping you get more control of your work, your life and your personal finances, so you're in the driver's seat. You're in control and you're feeling happier and more successful. Now, I think success in life and happiness in life is very much determined by how well we can self-lead, how well we can self-manage our own life. But the challenge is we need to be really clear on what it is we need to manage, what it is we need to control. And the problem is that most people know what they don't want in their life and their work, fewer know what they really do want. I'll say that again because it's really key. Most people know what they don't want, fewer know what they really do want. So in this program, I'm going to take you through some really cut to the chase, proven step-by-step processes that in a matter of minutes, you'll be able to improve your job fulfillment, get more clarity around your life priorities and strategies behind those. Take control of your personal finances through a cash flow template, which you'll be able to download and use for the rest of your life. You'll get clarity around what really motivates you, what really engages you in your work, and you'll have strategies behind all these so that you're living a life by design rather than a life by default. So let's get started on this journey together. Watch the preliminary videos to get some context and some philosophy behind all this thinking, and then download the templates and let's get started.